Hi, this is Jan, the Success Alchemist, and today I'm going to talk about why size is everything when you're setting your goals. And this is point number 2 in my Dream Achievers Success Kit, which you can get as a free download from my website, thesuccessalchemist.net. And so, why size is everything? Well, we always encourage you to create big, huge, audacious goals. And the problem with that for some people is that they have limiting beliefs that actually work against them and sabotage their efforts to achieve those goals, because they don't believe that that level of achievement is possible for them, or they don't feel good enough or worthy or deserving of that level of success. But on the other side of the coin, there's also a problem if you set goals that are too small, too modest, because that means you're really limiting your opportunities and limiting the level of success that you can achieve. And it reminded me a little bit about the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears. This idea that this one's too big, this one's too small, but this one is just right. So how do you actually set the right goal that is in alignment with your belief system and with what you really want to achieve? Well, first of all, it really links back to my previous video about setting goals from the heart. So really get into how a goal feels to you. And if you're feeling any level of anxiety, it usually indicates that there is a limiting belief there or a fear there that means you are not completely in alignment with that goal. And it's always good to move out of your comfort zone, but not try to do it to the extent that really the subconscious gets in the way and will block you from moving forward and taking the necessary steps to achieve that goal. So if you really want that goal to the depths of your being, then I suggest you work on those limiting beliefs first. And I'll put a link in the description to a free limiting belief exercise that I have that helps you to clear the limiting beliefs that are holding you back. The other thing to do is think about perhaps setting a smaller goal, as long as it's a goal that is actually taking you towards that bigger goal, because that might then overcome the resistance to that huge, audacious goal. And it's not that you're not moving forward, you're just doing it in a way that works with that subconscious while you clear those limiting beliefs that are otherwise a threat to the achievement of those goals. So you need to set the goals for yourself. Don't worry about other people judging your goals, either saying they're too big for you or belittling them. Just do what is right in your heart. Recognize that there might be issues that come up for you during the process of achieving those goals, and follow the steps in the limiting beliefs exercise to clear those issues. And really enjoy the journey, because it's through our life purpose, through achieving our goals, that we're also able to fulfill our soul purpose or spiritual growth by facing these issues and dealing with them and moving to the next level of success and inner peace. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, I'd love if you would like and share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, then you won't miss any of the other videos that I've got in store for you. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video.